about MS Word editing.
Editing in Word 2010. What is MS Word? MS Word is an application software or program which is used to create document, a text document. Now we have already learned to create simple text document in MS Word 2010. We learned to start a new document, adding or deleting content and saving the document. But there are many powerful features which help to make the documentation process quickly and faster. Now we will learn one of the major advantages of a word processor, that is editing. Editing is the process of making changes in the document as needed. Or editing means making changes or modification like inserting or deleting, copying or moving text, correcting misspelled word, etc. These are the features which save a lot of time, effort while working with lengthy document. But before we start learning these features, let's learn how to select the text. The most important part for doing the editing is the selection of the text. Selection of the text or selecting the text. To perform in this document, we need to select the block of text on which the text editing is to be performed. This block of text can be word, a line, a sentence, a paragraph, or the entire document. Word offers shortcut to select the text block quickly. Now let's see how to select different things like word, line, paragraph, sentence, text block and whole entire document. So first talk about word. Word How to select word? Any single word, we have to press the right of the word and quickly double click the word. Now if you want to select any single line, click in the front of that line to be selected and keeping the mouse pointer in the left margin and double click and click in the front of that word for selecting a single line. Now the next one is a paragraph. If you want to select a paragraph, what you can do? Click the left mouse button thrice in the paragraph and your whole paragraph will be selected. Now for selecting a sentence, if you want to add a single sentence, if you want to select a single sentence, first clicking the left mouse button on the sentence while holding the control key on the keyboard. So this way you can select a sentence. Now text block. For selecting a text block, click in the beginning and hold the shift key and click at the end of the text block to be selected. So this way we have learned how to select a text block. Next, whole document. If you want to select your entire document at once, you can keep your cursor at the left margin and triple click so that you can select your entire document at once. Now the next is moving the text. How we can move any text from one document to another. Moving the text. Text can be easily moved from one place to another in the document. So I have already created one blank document with the name of document 1, and in another document I have written new Microsoft Word document. From moving a text, for moving the text, first we will select the text or entire document which we have to copy or move to the another document. I am moving this part of the document by simply pressing Ctrl plus X. I have cut it from this document. Now I will paste in the new place by pressing Ctrl plus V. This helps us to make changes in our older document to the new one. Now the copying the text. This useful feature helps to repeat the already entered text at new location without retyping. Now the next one is copying the text. For copying the text, we can first select our entire document which we want to copy to the another one and press Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus C is the shortcut key for copying any document. Now coming to the new location where we want to paste it and press Ctrl plus V. So this helps us to copy any text or a part of a document from one place to another. Now what is the difference between copying and moving the text? While we were moving the text from our original file, we have already removed our part of the text which we want to paste it in the new one, and while we were doing copy the text, in copy the text option we have created a duplicate text document and we have pasted at the another location. Next is finding the text. Searching some word or text in a lengthy document at different places can be simply as clicking a button. Now if you want to search, if you are having some entire document, a very lengthy document, and you want to search any single word, so from this word, from this document, you want to search any single word, like text I want to search. So for searching a single word, it may be tough or very lengthy process to read out whole document, but MS Word make it easy. Under the Home tab, you can come at Editing Group and here you can find the option Find. Find option will open at the left panel, and here we can type the word which we want to find in our document. As you will type your word under the Find tab, you can see in your document wherever your text word is appearing, it will get highlighted. Same like that, if you want to add another word like document, now wherever in your paragraph document word will be there, it will get highlight. Now let's come and learn the next part, that is finding and replacing text. Not only the text can be searched, but it can also be replaced with the new text quickly and easily like this. First, again come to the Home tab. Under this, you can find Editing Group, and under the Find option, you can find the Replace one. When you will click on the Replace option, you can get here one dialog box which is asking find what and to which you have to replace with. Now I want to replace a document with file. So I want to replace all the word. Wherever the document word is there, it will be replaced with the file. Now it has given one notice that all done. We made two replacement. In whole document there are two document words, document which I want to replace with the file. So wherever you will see the file word, first is this and another one is this. That means it is replaced with the document. Now come to the next one, correcting spell error. Misspelled word in Word document can be checked and corrected using a built-in dictionary. While typing the document, incorrect words are checked automatically and marked with red wavy line if they are not found in the dictionary. Like if you have done some mistake in your text document, it will appear with the red line. Now let's write something and find out how we can change the correction. Like I'm writing here, boy Tarun is a good boy. For correcting spelling error, first we have to go to the Review tab, and here under Proofing you can find one option, that is Spelling and Grammar. This option will help you to find the spelling and some grammatical mistake in your document. So let's check. First, you can see I have already written subject spelling wrong with double E, but the correct one is SUBJECT. So is tell your subject is wrong. So this you can check your spelling while you are creating document in your Word. Now next is undo and redo. Microsoft Word keeps the track of all the used command while creating the document. If you want to reverse the effect of your last command, you can click Undo. Undo button in Quick Access toolbar. You can undo up to last 100 action in Word 2010. Alternatively, you can use Ctrl+Z keyboard shortcut to undo the last command. In addition, you can also redo an undone command or repeat the last command for multiple times. Using the redo button in Quick Access bar, alternatively, you can use Ctrl+Y keyboard shortcut to run the redo and repeat the command. Now, what will help us to do undo? Undo can used the reverse the last action what you have done last time. Like I'm writing here the correct spelt of subject. Now I want to do reverse, means I want to reverse my action, that is called undo. I will press Ctrl+Z. Ctrl+Z. Now you can see again the subject spelling is incorrect, means it subject one extra E is added. Now if you want to redo means to repeat the last action. Like I have already written subject spelling wrong in my last action. After that I have done undo to repeat it to make it wrong. Now I will correct it simply by clicking Ctrl+Y. Now you can see the correct spelling is appeared.